Find a hook. Hook down the two hooks on the passenger side armrest box. Using a screwdriver or a hook, gently wiggle the hook at the back of the air conditioner. Pull the air conditioning panel outwards. Pull the passenger side air vent outward from the side. Remove the 3 clips behind the panel in sequence. Use a T20 screwdriver to loosen the 2 screws partially, then press down. Pull out the head unit. Unclip the side latches of the head unit. Unplug the power plug and the blue video plug from the main unit. Connect the original car video cable to our video cable. Then plug our video cable back into the head unit. Plug one end of our power cable back into the main unit and connect the other end to the original in-car video cable. Start the car and test whether the CarPlay function works properly. Use a T20 screwdriver to remove the screws from the cover beneath the front passenger armrest compartment. The power cable and video cable are routed through the openings at the rear of the main unit, run beneath the armrest compartment, and connect to our module. The USB cable can be fed through the opening in the armrest compartment, past the air vent and along the side, to connect to our module. Simply reinstall the parts you removed earlier, one by one.